Best deals.
1. Plastic storage drawer. Made from high quality, thick plastic with a strong base and reinforced sides, a durable plastic storage rack built for long-term daily use in any home organizers and storage setup. Features 4 deep drawer storage compartments that provide ample room while saving space, perfect storage drawers organizer for office drawer storage, or baby things organizer storage. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Tea infuser. Designed to cater to your preferences. It's suitable for brewing a variety of teas, from traditional black or green tea to herbal or fruit infusions. With its compact size and spill-proof lid, this infuser is perfect for brewing tea on the go. It's ideal for use at home, in the office, or while traveling, allowing you to enjoy your favorite beverages wherever you are. Infuser allows you to customize the strength and flavor of your tea. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Coffee maker. Is compatible with both K-cups and ground coffee, featuring a reusable filter that lets you brew your favorite coffee or tea effortlessly. Enjoy a variety of flavors with ease. Equipped with a stable heating system, this brewer ensures constant temperature extraction at 85. This guarantees a perfectly brewed cup of coffee or tea every time, with full flavor extraction. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Vegetable drainer basket. Made with premium stainless steel and chrome plating for long-lasting use and rust resistance. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Kitchen funnels. With a multi-purpose large funnel, just put it on bottles or cans, then pouring fresh fruit jars, delicious coffee, sweet candy. The 1.65 inches wide mouth is large enough for transferring most food. Made of premium quality silicone, our kitchen funnel set is environmentally friendly and 100% food grade safe. Suitable for various containers, mason jars. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Vegetable rack. Basket owns strong and durable metal frame with a black coated finish, features rust-proof, scratch-resistant, not easy to deform. The mesh design of wire basket allows even airflow to naturally ripen fruit and keeps your fruit vegetable fresh. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Drying rack. This foldable drying rack is simple in design and easy to operate, and can be changed between one fold and one exhibition. The innovative button-type suction cup technology provides stronger adsorption force and ensures the stability of use. The installation process does not require any tools, just smooth the surface, and can be quickly installed with a twist. Open the drying rack and you will find that the two sides can be extended and adjusted to different angles to meet a variety of drying needs. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cutting board. Features a stainless steel pull-out tray for easy collection and transfer of chopped ingredients, reducing kitchen mess and hassle. Eco-friendly wooden kitchen tool with natural resistance to stains, odors, and moisture designed for long-lasting, hygienic food prep. Equipped with non-slip feet and ergonomic side handles for safe, stable use and easy carrying around your kitchen. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Iron Kadai. Enriches food with iron, adds iron content to your meals that helps fight iron deficiency. Truly healthy cookware. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Quick cooking. Saves fuel up to 1,200 rupees per year. Lasts for decades. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Spice rack. Has excellent flexibility and sturdiness. Rotating 360 degrees, you can quickly rotate the spice rack with jars to find the spice jar you need. The Ferris wheel spice storage keeps your seasonings and herbs organized. Spice holders holds 18 glass spice jars and is made of high-quality glass. The rotating counter spice rack is made of heavy-duty ABS, which is rust-proof, more durable and stable. Spice jar organizer rotates well and looks great. The kitchen spice rack countertop has 18 large diameter 100 ml glass jars, and one spice carousel can meet all the seasoning storage in the kitchen. Kitchen seasoning organizer. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Corkscrew. Bottle opener design is perfect for anyone looking to open bottles of wine quickly and efficiently. It is compact and easy to store in a drawer, picnic basket, or your pocket. Corkscrew bottle opener is made from stainless steel with a rosewood handle, 3-in-1 tool that has a corkscrew, bottle opener, and foil cutter all rolled up into this nice knife-style accessory. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and durability without any hassle. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Knife strip. Magnets will give you peace of mind that all of your knives are secure when you use. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Oil dispenser bottle. Crafted from food grade, rust-resistant stainless steel, ensuring durability, hygiene, and long-lasting performance. The sturdy, well-designed handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, making pouring effortless and reducing the chances of accidental slips or spills. Ideal for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Silicone ladle. Featuring a turner, spoon, and scraper, perfect for flipping, stirring, scooping, and scraping in everyday Indian cooking and baking. Natural beechwood handle designed to be strong, ergonomic, and heat-safe, offering a comfortable grip with classic kitchen style, safe on non-stick, enamel, ceramic, glass, and cast iron while strong enough for frying, sautéing, and preparing gravies. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Stool. Easily stackable to save valuable floor space. Perfect for small living areas, this feature allows you to store multiple stools without clutter. Made from high-quality polypropylene, these stools are built to withstand daily use. They resist deformation, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Electric kettle. Boil water, prepare instant meals, or use the included egg tray to boil up to 7 eggs simultaneously for quick and convenient cooking. Food grade 304 stainless steel body with matte finish, detachable glass lid, wide mouth design, and concealed heating element for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. Features a temperature control knob, light indicator, 360 degrees rotating detachable base, volume markings, 1.2 meters cord with cord winder, and copper wire conductor for efficient functionality. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Tumbler. Lightweight, comes with the snap-on lid, making it convenient and hassle-free to carry without any fear of spillage. It has a wide mouth and base which makes it easy to clean. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Atta maker. Knead all types of dough, from soft chapati dough to pizza dough, effortlessly with the Atta Kneader dough maker, saving your time and energy in the kitchen. Atta maker machine with its 3-liter stainless steel bowl provides ample capacity to knead large batches of dough, making it perfect for families or batch cooking. The bowl is durable, easy to clean, and resistant to rust. The transparent, lockable lid ensures you can monitor your dough's progress while preventing any mess or spillage during the kneading process. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Butter knife. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Crinkle cutter. The blade is made of stainless steel, strong and durable, not easy to distort. Sturdy, smooth handle for easy grip, keeps hands safe when cutting. The potato cutter with ergonomic and smooth handle, it is easy to grip, and can ensure hand safety when cutting. You can use it to cut potatoes, cucumbers, tomatoes, carrots, apples, kiwi, watermelon. With ergonomic and smooth handle, it is easy to grip. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Toothpaste dispenser. Constructed with premium, durable materials for daily use, this wall-mounted toothbrush holder resists moisture and deformation, ensuring long-lasting performance in your bathroom. Organize your dental essentials with a sleek, compact structure that maximizes your wall space and keeps your countertop clutter-free, perfect for modern bathrooms. Enjoy mess-free convenience with an easy-to-use built-in toothpaste dispenser, which lets you dispense just the right amount every time. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Electric coffee grinder. Can grind 60 grams of beans for drip coffee brewing in 10 seconds. Heavy-duty stainless steel blade for easy grinding, push-to-grind system. Clear safety lid allows you to easily see the results in progress. Compact design perfect for countertop use. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Triangle mop. With long rod ensures you can reach high ceiling fans effortlessly. This versatile tool doubles as a ceiling fan cleaner and duster. This dry mop is perfect for a variety of tasks, including acting as a fan cleaning brush and a wall cleaner. The innovative triangle mop design allows you to reach corners. Equipped with a long handle, our ceiling cleaning brush is ideal for dusting and cleaning hard-to-reach areas. The extendable cleaning duster makes it convenient to maintain. The dust cleaning brush is designed for efficiency, featuring an extendable handle. This ceiling fan cleaner and duster ensures a spotless environment. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Humidifiers. With unique noise reduction technology, noise of the humidifier for plants indoor can be controlled below 26 decibels. Humidifiers for room running with low noise, whether you are working or resting, humidifier and electric room freshener for home won't disturb you. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Mesh bowl. It's durable and sturdy. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Espresso machine. Craft hot and iced drinks and cold brew with 3 preset recipes: espresso, double espresso and cold brew. Now you can customize your favorite hot and iced drinks to your exact preferences at one touch. Put control at your fingertips with a soft touch digital display featuring full color icons. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Vacuum cleaner. The mini size of the cleaner makes it portable and handy. You can clean smaller and hard-to-reach surfaces easily. In order to ensure the mini desktop vacuum cleaner suction power, it is strongly recommended to use genuine branded batteries. Its compact size makes it easy for packaging and carrying, making it the perfect gift. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Water container. Is softer and more transparent, so we can see what is in the container clearly. Camping water can makes it perfect for storing and dispensing large quantities of water, convenient to carry around. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Coffee cup set. They are made with our proprietary biocomposite technology with good durability. Biocomposites are new age bioplastics that are certified safe as per international standards for food contact, microwave and dishwasher. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Soap pump. Dispenser. Crafted from durable ceramic with a smooth stoneware matte finish, these accessories feature an abstract human face design, adding a touch of elegance to your bathroom decor. Its simple design complements both bathroom and kitchen settings. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Shelf. Made of stainless steel, known for its durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Cast iron paniyaram. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron paniyaram pan is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Enriches food with iron, adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Cook crispy and yummy varieties of paniyarams effortlessly. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Organizer. Multiple compartments ensure quick access to all your beauty and skincare essentials, keeping everything neat and organized. Compact and robust design makes this organizer simple to wipe down, perfect for quality-loving dressing tables. Ideal for makeup, skincare, or jewelry, this organizer fits seamlessly in bathrooms or kitchen drawers. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Citrus Juicer Squeezer. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Silicone baking mat is very useful in making pastry, fondant, pizza dough, sugar paste, icing extremely easy and fuss-free. The baking mat is heat-resistant, non-stick, non-toxic, odorless, flexible, never tarnish or discolor. Mat can also be doubled as a work surface protector or a working pad. The non-stick silicone baking mat is made of flexible silicone, which is non-stick. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Cold press slow juicer. The small, space-saving design of the slow juicer helps you to save counter space in your kitchen without compromising on the end results, that is, nutrient-rich juices. Designed with a reverse motor action, mostly not found in conventional juicers. This feature helps clean any pulp blockages and also ensures a better extraction process. 130W motor, equipped with a higher motor power than most juicers in the same range, so that any ingredient you put in the appliance is juiced fully. Only dry pulp is left behind and your nutrition-rich delicious juice is ready to consume. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Chopper. All-purpose 6-in-1 food processor now chops meat and vegetables, makes salads, knead the dough, make a batter for cakes, pastries and pancakes, blend milkshakes, baby food, soups and stews. Crush ice and enjoy frozen drinks. 4 settings in the slicer dicer disc for fine and thick juliennes as well as fine and thick slicing, processor for chopping, slicing, shredding, whipping, mincing and ice crushing, and can be used for kneading the dough as well. Additional dough blade for kneading dough hygienically and conveniently. Compact design with a non-slip and durable body. Product link is given in the 37th link.